Company, and I'm the co-founder of the Hyatt Company. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, I'll be doing the part 1 review of a special wax. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. All right, y'all, so this will be the third and final until I do the part 2 of the first 2 waxes, or all of the waxes that I've already reviewed so far. And plus I want to switch up my videos after doing so many wax reviews. So let's hop straight into this wax review. So at the beginning of last month, when I decided that I wanted to go ahead and review waxes to help people out on their wax searching or wax hunting journey, the Wooden Wick Co. has sent me an email of this new wax that they were launching, and when I seen it, I was like, this would be perfect to add into this little series that I'm doing, because one, I've never seen a review on this wax, and if there is one already out there, please forgive me, but I haven't looked because I've never thought to look for this kind of wax. But when I seen it, I was like, this will be interesting, because I wouldn't think to use a wax like this. So let me just review it and see, what it's talking about. So in today's wax review, it will be the coconut hemp soy wax from the Wooden Wick Co. So as always, let's get straight into the details, and then I'll show you the process of me making candles with the wax. So again, I have my computer right here. This wax took about 3 weeks to come, 3 weeks, closer to a month to come out. I bought the trial size, like the test size, which is 11 pounds, and that came up to $38.95 before taxes. It comes in 2 sizes that you can buy. You can buy the trial size for 11 pounds, and then you could buy the regular size for 55 pounds. The 55 pounds comes up to $184.95, y'all. So this is a complete luxury wax. For 55 pounds, it's almost $200. Depending on where you are shipping, it'll be well over $200. So if you are wanting to do a luxury candle line, this will be a wax for you to keep your eye out on, or keep your eye out for, based upon this review that I could give you and anyone else who reviews the candle. But I'll just let you know what I think. So the detail says, again, my computer is right here, so that's what I'm reading off of. The detail says, the hemp soy wax is a luxury container blend of all natural coconut, soy, organic hemp, and food grade paraffin wax. The luxurious hemp soy container wax is a vegan blend of natural organic hemp, soy, coconut, and food grade paraffin wax. It has a creamy white appearance, exceptional adhesion, and provides an excellent fragrance through both warm and cold, as well as exhibits an evenness of burn and wax consumption. Or organic hemp soy, or hemp, coconut, and soy waxes are gluten-free, toxic-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, and comes with renewable resources. The entire blend utilizes FDA-approved waxes. The wax can easily handle 9 to 10% of fragrance load. The hemp soy has a 120 Fahrenheit or 49 degrees Celsius melt point. So that's the melt point on the wax, which is 120, with an optimal mix and pouring temperature of 140 to 150. I get this question a lot, a few times. How high do I heat my waxes? So what I do, basically, if the pour temp says 140 to 150 or 180 or 185, I always go 5 degrees higher when it's in the double boiler method, and when I'm stirring it and everything, because wax kind of cools quick. Wax cools quickly, so by the time I took it off the pot, I'm stirring in the fragrance oil for 2 minutes. It's already about to be cooled down. And also, you want to get your wax hot enough so that the fragrance oil can blend properly with it, and they can mix and like combine properly, if that makes sense. I know it's a scientific term for it, but I can't really think about it right now. But yeah, I try to get it at least 5, a little bit over, once it doesn't reach like 200 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's a question I get a lot, so I just wanted to answer that real quick. And then I know if you're like an all natural person, you want your candles to be natural, and you hear paraffin wax, you're like, you want to stay away from it. But they also put this here that says, we add food grade paraffin because we have found it to enhance the performance of our wax and give an excellent hot throw. Scientific studies have proven paraffin wax to burn just as cleanly as soy, beeswax, or palm wax, and the highly refined food grade nature of our paraffin puts it in the natural category. So basically they're saying it's still an all natural wax. So if you're a person who wants natural and is scared of paraffin, but like completely natural waxes comes with their cons as well as their pros. Like, it's natural, it's cleaner for the environment and stuff, but then you'll have sinkholes, you'll have it cracking, you know, like stuff like that. So they're saying that they add the food grade paraffin in there to have natural and it looks smooth. So it's like a win-win situation, you know, when it comes to your candle. All right, y'all, so now that we've gone over all of the specs, let's get into like how the wax looks. Open it. And I haven't opened this package when I got it because I like to open it on camera with y'all so we can experience it together. So let's get straight into the next portion of this video. All right, y'all, so the camera is up pretty high because I'm literally standing on my chair, like but because the box is so big. But let's get straight into opening up the box. It came in a huge box, and as you can see, it's pretty long across. Just like the last wax, it comes packaged like cutely, or it's cute packaging, professional, because again, it's a luxury brand. And if you're like me, you're wondering, since it's a hemp wax, does it smell? Like, you know what? So I'm gonna smell it. I'm gonna let y'all know what it smells like. It literally just smells like butter. Like the beeswax from the Wooden Wick Co., this wax is also very hard. It's not like the soy tin that I also reviewed, that like when you squeeze it, it would kind of come up off the side. As you can see over here, it's kind of cracked. Well, it is cracked, but it also gave a warning in the description that since it's a harder wax, it could crack in transit, but again, that will not affect the performance or like anything really of the candle. If anything, in my case, that helps me, because y'all know this cutting of this wax is like, I get impatient with it. But I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna show y'all how it goes. Again, I'll be making 2 candles, one with color, one without color, just to see the performance, in case you're a person who leaves your candles natural, or a person who wants to add color. It's slightly easier to cut than the beeswax, because the beeswax was really hard. But I feel like it's easier. Most definitely. And it kind of cracked. Maybe that's why. It kind of cracks when you put the knife to it. Like, it helps you. Like, it's breaking apart. Ooh, I love this consistency. Like, and it looks so smooth. So we're gonna get the pouring pitcher and put this in, and we'll start making candles. All right, y'all, so this is the pouring pitcher. I'm gonna need 458 grams, because again, I'm pushing the limit of 10% of the fragrance load, like it says it can handle. So I'm gonna need 458 grams. So I'm gonna go ahead and measure that out. That's 335. We're up to $4.59, but like I said, you kind of lose wax in the process, so that's fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the stove, and then you can watch it melt, and then we'll get to mixing in fragrances and color. Our wax is melted. I have my jars wet and clean with alcohol. Again, the fragrance oil I'll be using is Champagne Toast from Candles and Supply, sorry. And it's pre-measured already for 2 candles. And for the candle that will have the color in it, I chose like this silverish gray color. This shows a color that I wouldn't normally go for, so this is the color, and we'll go ahead and pour and then start mixing. Alright guys, so we've mixed all the fragrance in. Now we're gonna bring our jars up. I'm gonna pour the one, of course, without the color in it first, and then I'll mix the color into the second one. For the one, oh, let me put the wick holder on. All right, so we've got the wick holder on that one, and now this one, we're gonna just go ahead and add in this color. Oh my gosh. All right, y'all. That was an accident, and that was a lot. However, we're just gonna roll with it. Alright. And now I'm just gonna put the wick holder on it. Alright y'all, so really quickly I'm just gonna wrap up this video. While using the wax, it was really easy to cut as compared to like the beeswax from the same company, the Wooden Wick Co. It melts pretty quickly. I like that. I did not take my advice like I did the last time. I don't even know, y'all. I think I just be trying to rush to film the video. I be forgetting like to do stuff, so chop it up in smaller pieces. Don't really like me, chop it up in smaller pieces. Again, I let the melt point get up, or I let it heat up in the double boiler method to about 5 to 10 degrees higher than the, not the melt point, the pouring temp, or the 150 to 140. I let it get 5 to 10 degrees higher than that. So far it looks like it's cooling well. Again, when it's dried, I'll do some, oh, I keep saying dried, y'all. When it's cooled, I'm gonna do some close-ups on it to show y'all how it looks. Smooth tops, the sides or whatever. I'm gonna show y'all all of it. The color looks like it's taken well to the wax. Like the wax looks like it's holding it properly. Although it was a little messy, in my experience from the beginning, again, first impressions, it's pretty easy to work with, and we'll just see the performance in the part 2 video. My next video will be the part 2 of the first wax which I did, which was a beeswax wax. So let me know if y'all like this wax, or again, if you want me to try out any other waxes, leave them in the description bar below. Not description, leave them in the comments below. And y'all, thank y'all so much for helping me get over 100 subscribers. I hit that, like, I think it was last week, but now this week, current date, which today's Thursday, I'm at 109 subscribers. So y'all, thank y'all so much for subscribing, commenting, liking. Like, I really like interacting with y'all in the comments, so just keep commenting so we could talk. I can help y'all out, you know. Let me know what y'all have going on, like with your business or whatever that you're doing. And also, y'all, it's Thursday, but I'm filming this Wax Wednesdays on a Thursday. School has been hectic, but my next video, probably not my next video, but a video that I'm gonna film is graduation. I'm going on a trip for graduation and my birthday. If you don't know, my birthday is May 14th, so I'll be going on a trip and I'll vlog all of that. I know this is like a business channel, but I never wanted to like keep myself in a box, even though I've kind of done that, but I still want to incorporate like other stuff. So I'll be doing that vlog, hopefully, y'all. I've said I'm gonna vlog so many vlogs, which I did, but I never like how they turned out, so I never posted it. But hopefully I like how this one turned out. I'll let y'all, well, obviously y'all will see the vlog. But thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to watch some of the other videos on the channel. I'll link one up in the description. I need to eat. I'm gonna link one up in the cards and at the end of this video. And thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.